One of the biggest questions beginners ask is simple. Should I use free traffic or paid traffic? And at first, it feels like a choice, like you need to pick one side. But in reality, most beginners don't fully understand what either one actually means. When people hear traffic, they think of numbers, views, clicks, visitors. But traffic is not just volume, it's attention. And more importantly, it's targeted attention. Because without the right audience, traffic doesn't convert. Free traffic usually means organic content, videos, posts, search results. You're not paying for exposure. You're earning it. But there's a cost: time, consistency, effort. Free traffic builds slowly, but it compounds over time. Paid traffic is different. You pay to get immediate visibility. Ads, sponsored placements, promoted content. The advantage is speed. You don't wait. You test quickly. But there's a risk, because without structure, you can spend money without results. Most beginners choose based on emotion. If they don't have money, they go all in on free traffic. If they have some budget, they jump into paid ads too early. But the real issue is not the choice, it's the lack of structure behind it. For most beginners, free traffic is the better starting point, not because it's easier, but because it teaches the fundamentals. Understanding audience, creating content, building consistency. It forces you to learn the system before adding money into it. Paid traffic starts to make sense later, when you already understand what content works, what attracts attention, what generates clicks. At that point, you're not guessing anymore. You're amplifying something that already works. So, it's not free versus paid. It's sequence. Start with free traffic, learn the system, then use paid traffic to scale. That's where things begin to connect. Traffic is not the problem. Structure is, because both free and paid traffic can work, but only when the system behind them is clear. If you want to see how this structure is organized step by step, there is a full breakdown available in the description below.